Hello, welcome to Modern Wall Street's Trader Talk. After hitting fresh record highs, stocks are on the retreat today, and we have Peter Tuchman from QMS to tell us what is going on. Peter, how are you? Not enough buyers to step in today?
What are you talking about? The market was down 30 this morning. We're back up to up. I mean, I think the financials were kind of weak. This is a consolidation day, it seems like, after we've had a huge week. S&P at record highs yesterday. You have to have a pause every once in a while. Right? And go ahead. You ask me.
Okay, so and what's the reason? Is it the tax plans that Paul Ryan announced today that we're going to get at the end of September?
You know what? Look, this market today is fairly quiet. The financials were weak this morning. They've rallied back a little bit. The S&P is just off a touch. It's kind of a lackluster consolidation day. I think the market's really up. I think the market's really up over the last bunch of days because of a lack of bad news. Not for any particular good news reason. That's kind of weird. We had the whole North Korea thing. We had these storms going on and whatnot. There was a bounce back in the reinsurers that came after. It's kind of an odd thing. It's kind of, when earnings are coming out and they change the expectations, and then the stock does not fulfill those or live up to them when they release the earnings. Same kind of thing here. We had major storms happen, right? We had Houston. That was devastating. That was biblical proportion. We had Florida, which they anticipated was going to be, in my opinion, if you look at it, it looks, from our point of view, we're okay here. But from down there, I can't understand how they could say it's not as bad as they thought, right? But the market, in fact, responded in a positive way with the reinsurers bouncing back and the insurers bouncing back, and the fact that perhaps it wasn't as bad as they thought. The market's a funny place. It just seems to me that it's more. And then we didn't get attacked by North Korea over the weekend. Fantastic. Stop the madness. What a great day, right? So the market responded to that in a positive way.
So is that why we're seeing gold down today as well, because we're in this consolidation period?
Absolutely. It's a risk-off trade, right? We saw last week when we were down those couple of big days, right? Still insignificant in the bigger picture, but we were down a couple hundred. You saw gold rallying in a big way, right? So people are not, what's going on weather-wise and geopolitically are groundbreaking things. We don't know where they'll end up. They're more than a headline, but sometimes it's a matter of where the market's focus is. It may be a quick headline reaction. It may be a full day's reaction. If it happens on a weekend, it tends to be exaggerated a little bit. If it happens midday in a trading day, the market reacts to it. But at the end of the day, it seems like there's money on the sidelines, that people are looking for bargains, right? This market is not in any way. I mean, look, the world's in a bit of flux at the moment, and the market's at 22,100. S&P's at all-time highs. The market's telling you what it thinks, whether it's the economics of it all are better than expected. Is there nowhere else to put your money? At the end of the day, this is the place.
Yeah, like you said, volume is light. However, on Friday, we do have a quadruple witching. So what are your expectations for that?
You know what? We have a lot going on this Friday, okay? So it's been, we had a funny August. There were some busy days. Volume's been on the light side. We had a lot of headlines that were making the market react. At the end of the day, there was some good buying opportunities over the summer, right? So this is going to be the first big option expiration. You've got a gold rebalance, a Russell rebalance, an S&P rebalance, right? So you're going to see a lot of money being put to work on Friday. It could be shifting in and out of sectors, but net, it's going to be a big volume day, and its directionality I'm not clear about. My gut is it may stay up, but all I know is it's going to be a crazy busy day with a lot of sectors being rebalanced, and that's what I got.
All right. Yep. School is not out for the stock traders on Friday.
We're getting in back, boom, right away.
There we go. All right, Peter. So nice to see you. Thank you so much for coming on the show.
Thank you very much. Giddy up, everyone.